Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate dbt Cloud for reliable data transformation step by step clearly. To activate dbt Cloud for reliable data transformations, begin by visiting the dbt Cloud website. Click on the Sign Up button if you are a new user. If you already have an account, select the Login option. Provide your email address and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the option to create a new project. Enter a name for your project in the designated field. Choose your data warehouse from the available options. After selecting your warehouse, click on the Create Project button. You will now be directed to your project settings. Within these settings, specify your target environment. This is where you can define different stages, such as development and production. Next, configure your database connection details. Input the necessary credentials, including host, port, username, and password. Click on the Test Connection button to ensure the connection is successful. Once verified, save the connection settings. Now, start building your data models by navigating to the Models tab. Here, you can create new models or upload existing SQL files. Write your SQL transformations directly in the dbt Cloud Editor. Make sure to follow dbt conventions for naming and structure. After completing your models, it's time to run your transformations. Go to the Run section of the project. Click on the New Run button to initiate the transformation process. Select the models you wish to run and define any additional configurations. Confirm the run settings and click Run. Monitor the status of your run in real time. Once the run is complete, review any logs or alerts. If successful, your data transformations are now active. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.